how to change email in Amazon Jobs. First, you want to sign into your Amazon Jobs account. Click on My Career here, and then you will go into My Profile. From here, you will see all of your information. It's going to be your email, and you want to click on Edit Profile. You may have noticed that once you click on Edit Profile, your primary email address is set, but what you can do is provide a secondary email address. So for example, when applying for a position with Amazon, when you attach your resume, you can give a secondary email and ask the employer to contact you there. Another way of how you can do this is by creating a new account. So if you have not verified your previous Amazon Jobs account, you can create a new account with a new email address. And like I said, if you have not provided your social security number and verified your account previously, you can do so when you create a second account with a new email address. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.